Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the healthcare system in Jamaica and what the government is doing. Now, as you know, the government is building highways right across the nation. From Mount Bay straight back to Negril, highways are being built. Super highways, 4-lane highways, the kind of highways you would find in a first world country. And people always say, what about hospitals? Well, recently we've been doing videos on the hospitals, and I must say the government is definitely doing a good job in not only building new hospitals but fixing up the existing hospitals. Just yesterday we did a video on a new hospital being built up by UA, where it's going to be a 6-floor building, a lot of towers going up, a lot is going on. So today we're going to just give you a recap or a summary of the government's investments in healthcare. The actual title is Government Investments in Healthcare Ongoing. The government will continue to make significant investments in advancing the country's healthcare infrastructure and meeting the evolving needs of Jamaicans. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, restated his administration's commitment during Tuesday's $278 million contract signing and groundbreaking ceremony for Phase 1 of the University Hospital of the West Indies redevelopment project in Mona, St. Andrew. He reiterated that US $148 million is being invested through the health system strengthening program, which will lead to the redevelopment of St. Anne's Bay Hospital, Maypen Hospital, Spanish Town Hospitals, among other engagements. He noted that ground was recently broken for the Spanish Town Hospital project. It will also include 10 health facilities: Greater Portmore, Old Harbour, St. Jago, St. Anne's Bay, Brownstown, Ocherios, Maypen East, Maypen West, Mocha, and Chapelton. Some of these will be Type 5 facilities, meaning that they are just one level below full hospital capability, the Prime Minister added. He said work is being done to improve the information systems and technology that are critical elements of a modern healthcare service. We will introduce advanced information health systems, remote patient monitoring, e-prescription, and electronic health records, Mr. Holness said. He added that the investment in the electronic system is imperative in improving the quality and speed of healthcare delivery. It cannot be undervalued or underestimated. You won't see it like how you will see this lovely building going up, but you will experience it in your waiting time and in the right diagnosis being made, the Prime Minister said. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think about all the improvements that are being made to the hospitals in Jamaica. I think it's great, it's long overdue, and it's good that the government is not only doing the highways but also fixing up the infrastructure around these areas, like the hospitals. They built a highway to St. Thomas, and they built over at St. Thomas, the Yallas fire station. So many fire stations and government facilities in St. Thomas are being upgraded because it's not just a road, but they're actually fixing the entire area. Look at St. Trelawney. Trelawney is the fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica. They're building police stations, they're building fire stations, they're upgrading well, I don't think the Falmouth Hospital was on this list, but St. Anne's Bay. So they're building the highways, and because they know what's going to happen economically when these highways are opened, they're building the infrastructure around the areas. because they're building a highway to Trelawney, actually two highways. That's going to be the only area, Trelawney is going to be the only area in Jamaica where you have two 4-lane highways. From Ocho Rios or from Miami Bay to Trelawney, they're going to extend Highway 2000. That's a toll road. 4 lanes, first world quality roads. And then they're going to expand the Northern Coastal Highway now, which is the main road. This one is not a toll road, from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, from Montego Bay to Trelawney and Trelawney to Ocho Rios. So you're going to have literally 8 lanes, a highway quality road that you can drive on to get to Trelawney. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.